Welcome to Oracle CX Marketing Help Center videos. In this video, we'll show you how to import data into CX Unity. There are two primary ways of bringing data into CX Unity. You can either use the API to stream data in, or you can use an ingest job. To learn more about using the API, click the link to the CX Unity API documentation in the video description. Let's go through the process of creating and configuring an ingest job to bring data into CX Unity. The first thing you'll need to do is to create a source, which provides all the details that CX Unity needs to import data. To create a source, visit the Sources page and click the Create Source button. After filling out all the server details, click Verify Connection to ensure that CX Unity can access the server. To get more info on a certain field, hover your mouse over the info icon. When done, save the source and click Publish Changes. You're now ready to set up the ingest job that will use this source to retrieve data. To start creating the ingest job, visit the Data Feeds page, click Create Data Feed, and select Ingest Job. For source, use the drop-down list to select the source you created previously. Review the information for the source and click Continue. The next section is field mapping, which allows you to define how fields from the source file are mapped to attributes in the data model. You can use a pre-configured field mapping template, or you can do manual field mapping by adding a source object, which defines the files that are processed during the job. For manual field mapping, you'll need to provide a sample file that has the fields that will be mapped to attributes in the data model. Let's go through an example using manual field mapping. After creating and naming the source object, we can upload our sample file with the source fields we need. Now we can start mapping the source fields in the file to attributes in the data model. You can use recommended attributes or search for others. If needed, do data transformations on the incoming data. When done, click Continue. Configure the job to run on a regular schedule or on demand as needed and complete the notification settings. Save the job and publish the changes. You can manage your new ingest job from the Data Feeds page. You can also review individual runs of the ingest job from the Jobs dashboard, which provides logs and details of any errors during the job. For more information on importing data into CX Unity, you can visit our Help Center. Thanks for watching.